Hello guys, today I've got REDMI Buds 8 Lite and I'm going to answer the question if you can listen to music with only one earphone. So actually yes, you can listen to music with only one earphone, with only one bud from Buds 8 Lite, but you will listen to your music or some TikTok in mono audio version, not stereo audio. But yes, you can. If it doesn't work, you need to put the second one into your case. These earbuds do have the in-ear detection, so it shouldn't be a problem if the second one is outside the case, but it's a safer option to put it back in the case. That's it.